Well, good morning. Little video here on the 17th. You hear the wind is just starting to come up. Front's just starting to hit. Had a little snow last night. Wow, it's really coming up. Anyway, what I wanted to show guys is we could see we were starting to get some birds coming into the easement finally, and I wanted to document some of that for you guys. We noticed them coming in the last day or so. Hopefully I can pan over here and you guys can pick up. We've had a couple good-sized flock of birds coming in. So we finally have gotten some weather here to start getting some of this stuff to move. Let's see, I'm zoomed at maximum here, so I know I'm moving all over the place. I just wanted to show guys that we are starting to get some birds coming in. Been a big lull, but no, obviously they weren't going to come in when it was 50 degrees or better up north. So at least it looks like we've got to start.